This time, I would like to showcase how one can use Stack for job searching. In my humble opinion, Stack is ideal for creating a setup for specific workflows, especially if that flow involves navigating through multiple websites. Moreover, if you find yourself performing this flow on a daily or weekly basis, having a dedicated setup significantly simplifies the entire process. Now let's go back to the example. So this time, the action we want to perform is a job hunt, and we already have a simplified setup ready. It consists of 3 websites. Number 1 is the job search platform, number 2 is ChatGPT, and number 3 is Resume itself. Those 3 web pages, as you can see, are organized side by side. Okay, let's jump in. So what kind of benefits this layout gives me is just option 1. I can scroll through them horizontally. Or maybe if I'm more of a keyboard person, I would enjoy fly mode, which is basically a simplified shortcuts. So the second benefit for this layout will be that I can move around with the arrows. So jump and back and that kind of stuff. Okay, now let's open the job description. Okay, I'm pretending that I'm reading this. But actually what I'm gonna do for the sake of the example, I will just copy the job description. So here I have prompts ready for the GPT. I'm gonna feed the job description and let's see what it gives me. Okay, perfect. And now what I want to do is to go to my resume. Again, I'm using fly mode for this. I want my resume and GPT side by side. What can I do with the fly mode? I can just simply hit number 5 on my keyboard and it will resize the card to 50% of my screen. I'm gonna go back now to my GPT page and again I'm gonna hit number 5 on my keyboard. I have a split screen. So now let's skim through the skills that GPT generated. So let's check out if there are some fancy keywords missing from my resume. SQL, Python, and R I already have. Data modeling sounds something solid that I need to add, maybe in the first place. Okay, perfect. Let's check out. Okay, experimental mindset sounds also fancy, but maybe I'm gonna change some wording, more of like experimentation. I think the other ones are bullshit, and also I think this is a good example of how I can use split screen to just compare to different documents and copy paste whatever I need. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download my resume PDF. Okay, perfect. And now I'm gonna go back to the job posting and let's apply. Application, upload file, and voila, I'm done.